There's another hadith where I have a question on that is narrated. Salim's father, once Jibreel promised to visit the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but he delayed it, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got worried about that. At last he came out and found Jibreel and complained to him of his grief of his delay. Jibreel said to him, "We do not enter a place in which there is a picture or a dog." Nowadays even Muslims have photos and pictures in their houses. What does it mean?
You see, Ahmediyya sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, but first of all,
هذا أيضا مرة أخرى الأخت الكريمة تسأل.
Which book is that?
From Al-Bukhari.
Al-Bukhari. You see, you are directly reading Bukhari without anybody to help you, and that is why these problems arise. There are many hadith or traditions in Al-Bukhari which contradict sometimes other hadiths also found in Bukhari. So that is the major problem. Why I think the beginners should always read Bukhari with the help of a teacher. This hadith in partially contradicts some other hadiths which I have mentioned before, which indicate that Jibreel alayhi salam himself brought a handkerchief with the picture of Hazrat Aisha on that handkerchief and presented it to Rasulullah. So here the word picture, is it picture or doll or whatever it is? It was dog. A picture. The picture, as I referred to before, in this context only indicates the picture of an imaginary god. Of such pictures, many temples of idol worshippers were full. And it is this which it must refer to. As far as the dog is concerned, I doubt if to keep dogs would be forbidden because of this, because the Holy Quran permits the use of animals for catching birds and other animals, and you can say Bismillah, Allahu Akbar over them. These animals who are trained for this purpose also include dogs. So this hadith again contradicts this verse of the Quran if this is taken literally. The dogs may refer to such unruly dogs who are not trained to respect the visitors, but who bark at everybody who enters the house or comes close to them. Such dogs really repel you and put you off from nearing that house. I myself have experienced it. Some dogs are very unruly and vicious, and the moment you pass by, even if you're not entering the house, they bark at you and they make faces at you and this and that. This dog could have been referred to. No decent man will ever enter a house where unruly dogs exist. Right? But those dogs which are trained for a specific purpose, of course they belong to Muslims and believers. It's not possible for us to generalize this hadith to apply also to those dogs.